Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In this video student, we are going to understand how to create table. Okay, so here you can consider the example. Before that we will understand that what is create table command. So here student, create table command require the three important thing, that is name of table, name of fields, definition and constant of the field. I am going to say each field. So name of table, that means a relation of table, relation name, that is student table. Name of field like roll number, student name, student class, student section, student address, like this. And definition and constant, this is a new thing for you student. So here constant actually contain a special type of limitation. We can say that here you can see that not null. It is used to check the column whether it's null or not. Okay, for example, if you are creating a table to enter the student name, in that particular field we cannot leave it empty, that means to say not null. Okay, primary key, as you know what is a primary key, it is used to check the column have unique identity which have to find the particular record in a table. Syntax, you can see student, here's create table. Okay, you can see create table. Okay, and then after that within round bracket, column name, data type, size and constant will come, then separated by comma, and same thing will process again and again. Okay, until all particular attribute will complete of my table, and then after that round bracket, then terminator. So here you can consider the example of this particular table. So here we have taken these following column name like AD number, that is admission number, name, class, section, fees. Okay, so admission number definitely will be numeric, whose size suppose that 3, and constant primary key, name as varchar, size will be 20, not null. Okay, it will be definitely not empty, so not null. Class numeric, 2 digit like till then 1 to 2 or 12. Okay, section character A, B or C, whatever. Fee numeric, that is 10 comma 2. Okay, precision number 10 and 2. So now we can consider here student, an example is shown here. Okay, so create table, then after create and table will have the space, then student as a table name, AD number as field 1 name, numeric data type, constant primary key, name varchar. Okay, not null, class number 2, section char 1, fee numeric, this one thing, and last round bracket terminator. Okay, so now we are going to start MySQL. So you have to click on start button, click on all program, you will search for MySQL, and you can see MySQL Server 5.0. if you are having higher version, you can just click on it and go to MySQL command line client. After that you can see that a window will appear in front of you. This window will ask you to enter the root password without any single quote, double quote. So you have to just type the password as you enter in a installation and configuration time. Now you can see after enter the password, you can see I am in of MySQL server. There are few commands by which we can see student databases and this one thing. So you can see show databases, enter, then semicolon. You can see there are 3 databases are there: information schema, MySQL, test. Okay, and now if I am going to just see how many tables are there, so simply I will type show tables, enter, and then semicolon. Now you can see there is no table or selected database. So to use the database, I click on use MySQL, and then you can see a message has prompt database change. Okay student, now I will type the command show tables and then terminator. Now you can see there are number of tables are already in MySQL. Okay, so I'm going to create my database first. So how to create it? So you need to learn this particular code, create database, and now database name, suppose that my database name is MyDB. Okay, and now enter semicolon. Now you can see my database also created. To check where is my database, show database, enter. Now you can see my database has been created here. Now I am using it, use MyDB. Now you can see a message has come, database is changed. If I am going to check here the table, show tables, now you can see empty set, it means to say there is no table. Okay, now we are going to consider the same example here to create a table. So here I will show you the code as well as the particular study material code and as well as my screen also. So here you will type create table as a command, then table name, suppose that student. Okay, and within round bracket you will type first of all admission number, numeric, okay, then 3. Make sure student there is no need have any kind of problem of case sensitivity. SQL do not case sensitive language, so you have to type capital and small both letter, so no need to worry about that. So you can see I have typed the first attribute, that is AD number, numeric 3. Then after that I think a constant is there, primary key have the space, then after that comma, name, varchar as data type, whose value definitely 20, and not null, then comma, then after that you can see class numeric, within that 2 characters, section, that is char, within that round bracket, and last is fee numeric, within that 10,2 round bracket close, enter, terminator. Now you can see your query is okay and a row is affected. Now if I'll see table is created not, so I will just simply type show table, enter, then you can see student table is created. Okay, so student, by this command we have learned a table is created now. Okay, so now we are going to understand how to insert a value into a table. Okay, so insert into command is used to insert a record or tuple in a table. Okay, so you can see this particular example, here are number of the details are entered here. Okay, so here we are going to perform the same values. Okay, so here once we have to understand how to work with that command, I am to say insert into command. So this command actually used to add a row in a table but can add only one record at a time. It means to say whenever we are type this particular command, student, it will allow us to enter only one value at a time. So you can see student, the what is the syntax for that: insert, then space into, then table name, that is tag, it means to say table name variable, and then square bracket will open. Okay, within that you can see that according to the sequence, whatever the sequence of our attributes, on the same way we will enter the values. Okay, so directly we are coming to the particular this particular command here: insert into table name values, value 1, value 2, value 3, and ellipse, then value till then n. Okay, so here you can see student, we have entered the value by using this particular command, but ensure that student those are varchar, I am to say characters, these value are covered under the double quote. You can see here 111 is numeric, so it will consider as directly 111, and here is name like Anuj Jain, so you can see that Anuj Jain will also consider under the double quote because it is a varchar. Class is numeric number again, section alphabet, I am to say character. Okay, 2500 it is a numeric. So we will perform the same, student. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert a this particular command. So student, simply insert into, then table name, I think we have student. Okay, now values, within round bracket we will type some value. First of all, roll number is 111, and within double quote we can say that Anuj, okay, or Anuj Jain. Within that comma, after that class 12th, and then A, and then after that fee is 2500. Make sure, student, every time you are filling the information in the particular attribute, okay, so separate by comma, enter, and then terminator. Now you can see the query is affected. It means to say query is okay, one row is affected. Now I am going to enter the another value. So student, we can see this particular diagram, and one by one we are going to enter the value in this particular table, student. So we will see this particular table, and by these value we can enter the value, okay, student. So again, insert into table name is student, okay, here is value, I mean to say values, here is roll number 222, then name of the student Mohit Sharma, okay, double quote close, okay, I will erase the H again, and then after that class 11th, then here section B, comma 4500, okay. Now enter, terminator. Now you can see entered, value is entered. Again I am going to insert another value, I am to say record in this particular table. Student, I am to say insert into table name is again student, okay, values, here is KP Gupta, okay. So roll number is 333, I mean to say admission number is 333, and name is KP now Gupta, okay, and then after that comma class 12, then after that within double quote we can say that section B, and then his fees is 3000, round bracket close, then after that enter and terminator. Now you can see enter, okay. Now again I am going to insert another one record in this particular table, that is insert into table name is student, okay, here is value, I mean to say values, here is roll number I think 4, that is 444, and then after that student name is what thing, Ajit Kumar, okay. Then after that class is 10, section I think A, okay, and then fees is 2000, round bracket close, terminator. Now you can see entered, okay. And now we are going to enter two student detail extra. So here insert into table name is again student, okay, values, within round bracket roll number is, I mean to say admission number is 555, and the name of the student is Nandini, within double quote it will close, class 12th, okay, but you have to separate the value by comma also. And then after that section C, so this one thing C, and then fees is 3000, round bracket close, terminator, insert, okay, into table name is student, here is values, the value is I think roll number 4, that is admission number 444, name is Nandini, double quote will be closed, class 12th, and comma will be there, and then section C, and fees is 3000, then terminator. Now you can see it is already duplicate value. Why? Because I have entered the value already that is existing in 444, okay. So student, we have learned how to insert data, and we are going to access it, how to access this particular command. So simply select star from table name is student, and now enter, terminator. Now you can see the detail will come admission number 1, admission number 2, I said 222, 333, 444 has come along with the value like class, section, this one thing. So student, today we have covered 3 important command, that is basic command for the day. The first one thing, how to create a table, how to insert the record in a table, and how to access it with the help of simple select command. I hope student you will do the practice and send to my WhatsApp number this screenshot. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, student.